Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Hbar price prediction updates, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Hbar chart, which at the time of this recording has managed to continue holding above the 20-day MA. We have also managed to break above a key area of resistance at around the $0.0639 mark. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that managed to get into the minimum retracement area, which lies between the $0.0666 mark and the $0.05 mark, in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.0545 mark. And having managed to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2, I believe we have bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of a massive run up to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, and all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of this first wave to the upper side, where we also saw the formation of this 5-wave structure to the upper side, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.0986 mark, and also completing the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also sketch out my target areas to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to continue with the video by first sketching out a target area to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, which is my primary scenario here on the Hbar chart, by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that gives me a minimum target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.1552 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Hbar to do here on the long-term scenarios in the formation of this wave 3. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high in that wave 3. And this Elliot wave structure that I have right here in yellow, which is a fractal wave within the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3, is what is going to give me the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out here on the Hbar chart, and that is better seen here on the 1-hour chart. So jumping to the 1-hour chart for further analysis, here on the 1-hour chart you can see that after seeing our low in the formation of this wave 2 down here, we started this massive run up to the upper side obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in red, which is a fractal wave within the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 3, having the wave 1 giving us a peak at around the $0.0686 mark. And after seeing the high for that wave 1, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and using the Fibonacci's connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is a target area that we have fully maximized. And having managed to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2, I now believe that we have bottomed out in the formation of that Elliot wave count 2 right here in red, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, and sketching out a target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.0816 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Hbar to do here on the short-term scenarios. And since we have managed to break above a key area of resistance at around the $0.0639 mark, and it's now acting as support, we are also holding above the 20-day MA both on the 1-hour chart and also on the 4-hour chart. Then we have massive support for us to continue gearing up, continue unlocking higher prices to fully maximize our target area at around the $0.0816 mark here on the Hbar chart. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. My target area here on the Hbar chart lies at around the $0.060816 mark in the formation of that wave 3, and once we peak in the formation of that wave 3, then we can expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. And this is a fractal wave within the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3 that I'm expecting on the long-term scenarios. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. Continue watching the 20-day MAs and also continue watching our key area of support at around the $0.0639 mark, because we need to continue holding above it for us to continue unlocking higher prices and also fully maximize our target areas. And getting back to the 4-hour chart to take a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 58 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.